Hello and welcome to Edelweiss Comtrade video. I am Renisha from Commodities Research to present my views on hyperbolic silver prices movement. Last week, S&P agency sent shock waves through the global financial system on Monday when it issued a warning on the US debt and changed its outlook on the US sovereign debt credit rating from stable to negative. This sent dollar index lower and the prices of commodities such as oil rocketing back above $110 per barrel, and both gold and silver to new highs. All that glitters is gold and silver, at least that's what the market thinks now. The prices of COMEX silver has jumped 7% today to hit 49.84, close to the psychological level of $50, and gold also hit to another record high of $1,518. Meanwhile, the US dollar fell to the 3-year low, and this silver price have risen around 15% in 5 trading sessions and 85% in last 3 months. It's tempting to look at the charts and decide that we have entered into a parabolic market where the prices ramps up by an ever increasing amount every day. Particularly silver, which has run up so fast in such a less period, and this movement is catching everybody's eye, and it looks like many investors internationally and one or the few private individuals and states are cornering the silver market. However, there are increasingly large number of silver buyers who realize the market can be cornered, and they are buying in the anticipation of this event. At one stage in 1980s, the Hunt brothers cornered the silver market, and this was a conspiracy theory that soon became a fact, and that time also silver touched the prices of 49.40. Silver volatility has increased and sharp corrections are likely. However, the sharp falls seen after the Hunt brothers manipulation ended are unlikely today given the very strong supply demand fundamentals. We should be clear, if a correction occurs, this would not mean that the rally is over. It would just be a healthy bull market correction and reflect the normal volatility inherent with this type of investments. Investors must anticipate this volatility before participating in these markets. This volatility will also bring long opportunity. We believe we are only halfway through to a 20-year commodity bull cycle, and investors can use this pullback as an opportunity to back up the truck and load for a long haul. My short-term view is that silver could top out today or tomorrow around $50 at COMEX and around 75,000 at MCX, as we have May silver options expiry tomorrow, that is 26th April, and it could be followed by a huge profit booking. One has to imagine that there are some enormous winners and losers holding these contracts, those who have bought and sold at strike prices of around $50 and various strikes that are unimaginably far away a month or more ago. So someone who is looking at selling opportunities could sell 50% of the amount, 50% of its investment around 74,000 levels, and rest 50% when the prices, if prices rise by 3 to 4%. And those who are holding long positions are advised to book 100% profit in silver, as this 90-degree move is not sustainable and it's not justified. I'm repeating, it is not sustainable and justified. Please book profits. This is all from my side, and please book profits, and those who want to take short position can look around to sell 50% of the amount. Bye, happy trading.